1% per day. Hey guys, this is Mehdi at Choosing Options. This video is a follow-up video on the trade that we put on back in June the 20th. I think it was on John Deere. Up here, if you look up the link to that video, um, we put on the trade. Let me make sure here. Here, let's see. Yeah, it was June 20th. We put on this trade for $1.82, and yesterday we sold it at, we closed the contract at 64 cents. That's a profit of 65% in 26 days. That's better than 2%. That's roughly about 2.5%. Let's do the math. 182 minus 64, which we closed it, divided by 182. Yep, 65%. I just wanted to show you how this works. It's 26 days. Like I mentioned earlier, we average about 27 days a trade. This one took about 26 days. A lot better than 1% of the title. I would say 2.5. 2.5 is a good percentage on your investment. Like this video, follow me on other trades. I did another trade earlier. I'm gonna close this one and start another video on a trade that I just did today. I just want to show you how I did it. Okay, guys, happy trading and have a nice day.